Plastic Ergo Steel maintenance. Routinely check the tension of the alignment rods. Be sure the rod springs back easily without hesitation. The alignment rod and flange are one-piece assemblies. The right side assembly has 2 rods, while the left side assembly has only 1 rod. To replace the tension springs, remove the Phillips head screw and plastic washer from the back of the Ergo Steel. Pull the rod and flange assembly out from the front and the spring from the rear of the tool. We recommend replacing both springs at the same time. To replace the springs, insert the spring into the flange and then the flange into the back of the Ergo Steel. Next, align the slot in the alignment hub with the flat portion of the new spring and seat the hub and spring assembly into the front of the tool. Install the plastic washer and secure the alignment rod assembly into the Ergo Steel with the Phillips head screw and washer. Check the tension of the alignment rods. If they do not snap back when released, loosen the Phillips head screw until the correct tension is achieved. The alignment rod should spring back into position easily.